Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to tune your home feed on Pinterest. First you need to get to where I am right now, and how you get there is by clicking on the bottom right icon that says saved, and that will bring you to your profile. After that we need to click on the top right icon with the three dots, and this will pop up. You'll have to click on settings. We have a couple of options here: public profile, personal information, account management, and then home feed tuner. We're gonna click on home feed tuner, and you have boards, history of posts you liked, and then topics. So if you want to remove something, you can remove anything you want, like maybe women's fashion. We're gonna remove that, and you won't be seeing any more of that topic on your search or your home page. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.